Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your character in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to open your Genshin Impact via the Epic Games launcher, and once you're in game, on the right side of your screen, you'll see different characters you can play. So I'm playing the first one right now. So to change to character 2, all I need to do is press 2 on my keyboard and it will change to my second character. Same goes with the third one. If I press 3, it will change to the third character, like so, and same with the 4. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!